Hey guys, this is the first video of our channel. This is one of our 1985 built Honda 3-wheeler 125Ms. Just want to do a quick walk around for it for the first video. Pitster Pro GPX 140 motor in it. It has a big bore kit built to a 146cc, has oil coolers, modified exhaust, and we build the frames to handle these motors. They come stock with a 125 Honda motor. So we have to go in and build these brackets here, and then we have some more brackets up there. Mine has a rack on it. It's got aftermarket anti-vibration bars, LED light bars, extended tusk hubs, which are off a TRX 400. And then we have some 8x8 inch four-wheeler wheels on some forest snow, sand, and mud tires. So underneath the plastics here, took those off right there. It's got a full wiring harness here. We have it all plugged into the battery. We have a relay for our lights right there. So it's got a flicker switch here. Turn them on. No blink and stuff too, which is kind of cool. And then if you come over here, we have our exhaust. It's just a normal pit bike exhaust for like a 50 or whatever. And then what you do is under here, you pie cut. We do pie cuts all in there, and then we bend the exhaust to make it fit the ATC 125M frame. And then here's one of our mounts. We make our own brackets, and then we weld all of them with some drill welds. We go in there, it's reinforced there. You have to cut back your original frame down here so it can actually fit the pit bike motor. And then right here we have our bracket for the oil cooler that we built, and then another bracket that goes from right here all the way down to here. And then on the other side, we have our other bracket that actually mounts to the motor and comes back up here. And then on this one, it does have a bigger carburetor, so you would have to indent your frame so it can fit the big carburetor. And then we have our two hose coming into one, and then going into the carburetor there to modify it to fit the pit bike motor. After you do all that stuff, pretty much all you need to do is get your 428 chain to match the original ATC 125M sprocket, and then buy a matching sprocket for the pit bike motor itself. And then once you do all that, that all hooks up, and then you wire in everything, and then you have your electric start, because this motor comes with electric start. Turn the switch on, fire it right up. Nice. Got that going now. And then I have a little bag on this one. It really helps out just to keep your phone and stuff in there when you're out on the dunes, ripping around. The one good thing about these axle spacers here is they make these a lot more wide. One of the reasons why they were outlawed is because a lot of people flip them over and they get hurt on them. But with this one, it's a little more stable with that, so that helps out. And then it's got the nice rack here, nice ODI grips. But yeah, it's a pretty clean unit. We're gonna start building these on the channel and start making a lot of them and having some fun with them out in the sand. So stay tuned. Feel free to leave a comment on what you'd like to see if you want me to talk more about this one. Yeah, like and subscribe, and a lot more to come. Thanks, guys.